Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel, where we teach you all about cryptocurrency, investing, and everything in between. Today, we are going to talk about an app called Sweatcoin, which allows you to earn money by simply walking. Let's get it. Sweatcoin is a move-to-earn mobile app available on iOS, Android, and some Apple Watch models that converts your physical activity, specifically walking or running, into a digital currency called Sweatcoins (SWC). It uses GPS, motion sensors, and your device's accelerometer to verify outdoor activity. The primary goal is to motivate people to walk more by offering real-world incentives such as discounts and free products in exchange for Sweatcoins. How to earn with Sweatcoin? There are a few ways to earn with Sweatcoin. Firstly, you can earn Sweatcoins by walking. The app converts your steps into Sweatcoins, roughly 0.95 SWC per 1,000 outdoor steps after accounting for processing fees. Free users usually have a daily earning cap, typically around 5 SWC per day. However, premium users who purchase a paid subscription can earn more and potentially benefit from better conversion rates or higher caps. Next, you can earn by completing daily bonuses and ads. You can earn up to 21 SWC daily by watching short video ads or completing other simple tasks within the app. To maximize your earnings, activate the daily boost periods where you can earn double the amount for a limited time. Also, refer to our top tips section for more info on how to increase your earnings. Lastly, you can convert your earned SWC into the Sweatcoin cryptocurrency, Sweat, using the integrated Sweat wallet. Now, how to withdraw Sweatcoin. So you have a few options here. You can use your accumulated Sweatcoins in the app's marketplace to obtain free trials, such as Audible for around 25 SWC, or discounts on products like 10% off Nike gear for around 130 SWC. You can also use your SWC to purchase goods such as protein bars, socks, or trial subscriptions, which often require only postage costs. These offers vary over time and by region. Another option is to convert your SWC into the Sweatcoin cryptocurrency Sweat. With this native crypto, you can trade it on platforms like Bitrue and certain Uniswap pairs. You can stake your Sweat via growth jars, which offer varying annual percentage yields ranging from 5 to 15%. Additionally, you can use your Sweat tokens to buy NFTs, participate in games like Sweat Hero, or redeem them for premium app features. The Sweatcoin cryptocurrency, Sweat, is a blockchain-based token existing on both the Ethereum and Near networks. It serves as the native utility token for the Sweatcoin ecosystem. Okay, so we talked about how to earn and how to withdraw. Now, let's take a look at some of the advantages and disadvantages. Well, first of all, it's free to download and use. Secondly, it encourages a healthier lifestyle through the gamification of fitness. It offers tangible rewards for walking, which can be appealing. It has a built-in social aspect, allowing users to connect and compete with friends or in groups. And lastly, it provides flexibility in terms of how and when you want to redeem your rewards. However, there's a reliance on location tracking and internet connection, which may impact the accuracy of step counting and cause potential security concerns. The value of Sweatcoins is not fixed and depends on various factors, including the marketplace, which may affect its perceived worth. The availability of offers and discounts in the marketplace might not always align with users' preferences or geographic location. There are paid subscription options for premium features, and lastly, there's a need for regular engagement to maintain earnings and benefit from daily bonuses. So is it worth it? Well, that depends on a few things. If you already go on walks regularly, then yeah, absolutely. If you enjoy walking, the potential to earn rewards could make it even more appealing to you. However, if you don't enjoy walking or don't do it often, then Sweatcoin might not be worth it unless you're willing to change your habits to benefit from the app. If you're interested in Sweatcoin and want to give it a shot, I highly recommend doing your research, reading reviews, and understanding the terms and conditions before diving in. As with any app or platform that involves personal data or financial transactions, it's essential to prioritize your security and privacy. With all that being said, I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. If you did, please give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more valuable content. Feel free to leave any thoughts, questions, or suggestions in the comments section below. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next one.